everyone, this is Sannie from Sannie Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So take two, because the other video lighting was terrible. I want to introduce my latest digital kit, and it is called Cherry Blossom Parade, and it is in my Etsy store as well as my Ko-fi store at a 35% discount. On my Etsy, you're going to get the JPEG version, which is the zipped version, and when you unzip it, it's JPEG. And then in my Ko-fi, you are going to get the zipped JPEG version and the PDF version. So it all depends on what you prefer and where you prefer to shop as well. So it's 30 pages, and it's got 10 main, 10 background, and then 10 ephemera pages. The colors are mainly pink and blue with cream in it, and it's all collaged, okay, except for the main pages are collage except for the two last pages, which are fully to write on, so they're not collaged. But in the main pages where there's collage, there are some pages where you can write in as well. Okay, so let's get started. Like, for example, here and here and here, if you want to really write, you can write on it. Okay, so this is page number 1. That is page number 2 with lots of writing space on it. And these pages where there's a lot of writing space in it, when you fold them up, they do fold up properly, because I ensured that I align them in such a way that they're going to fold up for you to have your designated bit of writing space. So that's number 2. Number 3, so even when this is folded up, you can see you've got all your writing space here, and then all your writing space here. That's number 3. It's printed on 120 GSM on an inkjet printer. That's number 4. Okay. And number 5, you can print on your labels. You can write on your labels. Okay. And I printed it borderless, so like we used to the images a little cut out or whatever. They're actually not. Some are, because I designed it that way, but for example, this tag, you'll see a full tag if you don't print it borderless. Okay, I prefer when it's collage, I print it borderless, because I'm not really missing out on a lot. Okay, so that's 5. This is 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are your images where your pages where you can write on. 9, and then 10. So ladies, I had and gents, I had lots of positive feedback from this kit, so I am really happy with it. I'm really happy with the way it came out. Okay, so this is one of your your background pages with a nice damask look on it. There's another one here. I'm not sure how you can see it. I turned the lighting down quite a bit because, oh my goodness, when I filmed, this is my second filming on it. So that's 3, 4, and yes, I colored in all these by myself. Okay, yeah, so that was fun. Not okay. There's another one here, and then this one I've lost track, but there's 10 of them. Okay, there's another image and another image. So they are light enough that you can write on every single one of them. This is that's my my printer. It is a what's this word? It is a portrait image, but even if you put it this way, it's not going to make a difference. Okay, all right, so that was music paper. And then this one here, some were designed as portrait, but you can use them any way you want to. And this one here. Okay, that was number 10. So now your ephemera, you've got your big envelope and some tags. I always give you a big envelope, a petal envelope, some watch or clock faces, a bingo card, and then these 2 that act as tickets or tuck spots, or journaling space, whatever you want. More journaling space. There's a long one here. It can be a belly band or a side tuck. More tickets. Sorry, it's been a long week, so I am struggling for words. Then there's two postcards over here and another tag over here. You got your file folder, your labels, and you've got more images for your circles. Another two envelopes, completely different from each other. Okay, in the design, you've got your 4 journal cards. 2 are portrait, 2 are landscape, which I've been doing lately. Nice big tags. I love these tags. In fact, in the journal I'm working on now, I actually printed that set of journal tags twice. Okay, so there's writing space on your tags if you feel that you're having a tag for no reason. There's a lot of writing space over there. Well, a little bit of writing space over here, but you know what, I won't use it to write on. I'll probably stamp on it. Yeah. And then you've got your 4 pockets. Okay, so that's basically your kit. 30 pages of absolute yumminess. Okay, I will link the I will leave the links below. Okay, for the shops and for the kits where you can purchase it if you so wish to. Remember, Friday's freebie of last week was a bit of a teaser to the kit, if you can see that, but you know, sometimes I don't include the same designs on the kit that I do on my Friday freebies, just trying to be fair to those people that bought my kit. Okay, sometimes I do. And then this was today's Friday freebie, this one here, over there, like that. And I'm able to show it to you because I'm filming this video for the second time. Okay, so you'll get that Friday freebie as well. It will be in the video after this though, because that video is going out first and then this one. Okay, so you'll get the whole tutorial on how to do this, but I just want to show you that these two over here that I've done are going to work absolutely gorgeously with that kit, especially this one here, because I have used images from that image set that I used in the kit. Okay, cool, bananas. That is it, ladies and gents. Thank you so much, and have yourself a blessed week. Until I see you again, probably next kit is being released on the 31st of January. It's going to be a coffee kit, so if you like coffee, stay tuned. Bye bye.